You would know, there are two approaches to projects: traditional and agile. Let us understand what these approaches are, and how do they differ. While traditional project management focuses on plans and facts, Agile's focuses on value and customer satisfaction. Traditional project management responds to change through change control process. Agile, on the other hand, manages changes through adaptive actions. While traditional method relies on upfront planning, Agile methodology follows progressive elaboration through release, wave and iteration planning. A top-down control structure defines traditional methodology. In Agile methodology there are self-organizing and cross-functional teams. Traditional methodology has a scope-based delivery, unlike a time-box delivery followed by Agile. While traditional method is contract-oriented, Agile is customer-oriented from the start to the end. Traditional project management works where the project can be completed in one flow, and the success is defined by giving deliverables on time and below budget. Agile project management is better suited for unpredictable projects, such as software development, where there are many risks, the scope of the project is likely to change, and where risk mitigation and constant adaptation to the changing needs is required. Waterfall or traditional methodology requires a perfect vision. It follows a predictive life cycle. It is a fully plan-driven approach, where the three main project constraints, time, scope, and cost, are all determined at a detailed level at the start of the project. You need to know your requirements going in, and the scope is fixed at the onset. Each phase is then laid out sequentially and managed carefully. In this illustration, as you can see, a fully formed idea has been thought of upfront. You would notice in steps 1 to 5, doing it on time requires dead accurate estimation throughout the project life cycle. Agile methodology, on the other hand, expects vision shift. An adaptive team will have difficulty describing exactly what will happen in the future. The further away a date is, the more vague an adaptive method will be about what will happen on that date. Like in this illustration, the guy builds a rough version, validates it, and then slowly builds up the quality, one step at a time. A more iterative approach allows you to move from vague idea to realization, making course corrections as you go, and stop when diminishing returns are encountered.